I wish you a wonderful day and welcome you to my channel, which is dedicated to massage, various release techniques, and everything related to them. This video will be short, but very important. We must never forget to open the main lymphatic pathways, regardless of which part of the body we plan to work on during lymphatic drainage. For each individual technique, it is of course necessary to spend more time than what is shown in this video. Several repetitions are required. The ideal duration is up to 10 minutes, depending on individual needs. Further release techniques will always be demonstrated in each video, focusing on the specific area being treated. Information regarding contraindications will be discussed in the lymphatic drainage of the legs video. If you enjoy these videos and find them helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. I have many interesting topics planned for you, so you won't miss any of them. Thank you.